Hello my people, it's the boy DJ Man the Gap. How are you today? I don't need to be asking you that because we are all in this together. I know it's really crazy, coronavirus shut down everywhere, but what is more important is us being safe, and I want you guys to really keep yourself safe. Please limit your movement. If you don't have any reason to go out, please stay at home. I'm fine, I'm cool, although I'm not really happy that I am just nothing to do, just staying at home, and that is why I'm gonna make this really quick right now. Yes, a lot of people have been texting, calling, saying, man the Gap, when are you gonna go live? When are you gonna do a live video, like a live party, live DJ mix? To be honest with you, I'm not in a party mood right now, and I don't think anyone is in a party mood right now. You know why? We're not home because we want to stay home. We're not home because it's the weekend. We're not at home because we're on holiday. We're being forced to stay at home, and everyone is worried. There's not a party time, and that is one reason why I don't want to go live. Instead of boring you with repetitive DJ mixes, I will be doing something slightly different to entertain you during this waiting period. So what I will be doing is spicing you guys up and keeping you updated with exclusive, informative, educative content based on thorough research, and of course with a touch of DJ Man the Gap. Let me give you an example of what is coming up in my next video. Do you remember this couple who got engaged at Teni'S 2020 Billionaires concert? Watch this.
Jason's on the I slap police for your case.
Ever since I met you, life with you has been nothing than amazing. Life with you has been nothing than awesome. Is it just iconic that the day I met you was the day I left my jacket? Unknown to me that God has put another jacket. Mine forever.
Guess what? They're right here with me because we need to find out live after the proposal. Introduce. So,
My name is Ade.
Moses. So, what happened next after the proposal? Are they still together? Is there going to be a wedding? Find out the answers to these questions in my exclusive interview with the couple. I will be talking about almost everything, which includes relationship, finance, jobs, career, keeping fit, and of course about music. Both the ones you know, you've forgotten, and the ones that you don't even know. So please make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. All my social media platforms with the links provided in the caption. If you fancy some of DJ Man the Gap hold mixes, the link is also available. Remember, take care of yourself and stay at home. I will be here bringing you direct and live entertainment to your doorstep. Take care. Mind the Gap.
Hey.